With a new video today. Today I'm going to show you how to make a sculpture using a paper. Means which paper you ask if you ask me, like business card or wedding cards. If you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We make videos of animation, doodle and art. Let's get started. You will need a scissor, a pencil, a rubber, black marker, and of course some wedding cards or business cards. Somebody had given me this wedding card, therefore I will make with it, and I'm going to use connector pens for coloring. I will give you the links in description if you want to go and check out the price. For reference, I'm going to use a picture of Charles Lizard for drawing this. My drawing is done. It is better to make a simple drawing than a detailed one because you must cut it also. Now ink it. Satisfying. My inking is done. Now erase it. Now I am going to use colors. For coloring I am going to use connector pens. My drawing is done. Now I am going to cut it using scissors. If you want, you can use a cutter. Be careful while cutting the paper. My cutting is done. Now take one more wedding card or business card. Now take it and place it on this, but never keep it like that. Keep it at the opposite side of it. The drawing. Now I'm going to trace it using a pencil. If you want, you can use direct marker also, but I'm going to use a pencil for here. Mine's done. Now use a marker for outlining it. If you want, you can use the back part also, but I'm going to black it. I'm going to color it fully black color. If you want, you can add detail also back side, but I'm going to color it everything. Now cut it again using scissors. I'm going to cut with scissors. If you want, you can cut with paper. My cutting is done now. Now take the both of the drawings and stick it together. I'm going to use a Fevicol. If you want, you can use another gum also if you want. I'm going to use a Fevicol because I have it. Satisfying part also, satisfying. Do not add too much gum like me. By mistake I added too much gum. Because of this gum, my little bit coloring of the drawing went off. But nothing happens. I kept it for drying. Now use a paper and take some 4 or 5 strips of like paper. It is shout out time. First shout out goes to Mark Fernandez. I like all. Thanks for it. Second goes to Pencil and Scissor Art. Third shout out goes to Sahil Kucha. Comment down below if you want to be in my next shout out. I'm going to show you how I cut. Boom, it's done. So simple. Now put them together and leave them for drying. Now get a new wedding card or business card and get your character. Then get the strip which you have made. Now bend them little bit, but do not bend them too much or they'll come out. First they must be dry. Now get a character on opposite side, then glue them together. Now glue them on this thing on your character and stick them on their wedding card. Now do not put too much gum or look untidy. A little bit of gum. Then leave it for dry for that. One character is done. But don't collect too much when I made a fire bushes like character here. Then stick them together and it's done. I hope you like it.